Okay, guys, my sister wanna be in the vlog. Okay, let me show you. Let me reveal my sister. 3, 2, 1.
Okay guys, today we're gonna get ready with us. So let's do it. We're gonna show you now our clothes. So bye bye.
So guys, I'm just waiting for my sister. So guys, she's almost done. She's almost done, guys. Just wait a minute.
So we're gonna dress now.
We're gonna dress now. We're going to a matric ball, my cousin's matric ball. It's gonna come gold. So guys, this is my outfit. What the spray including?
What is deodorant? Everybody use a blurry deodorant and a spray. It's December and it's summer.
And this is my sister's outfit: a jean, a shirt, socks, and then
my things. So let's
so
get
guys,
ready.
we're gonna end it off there. Peace out.